Hi, everybody. Guess what? Yep, this is the moment I've been waiting for. This is a new server. See? In the go and so it begins. November 9th, 10th, 11th. Your tickets to opening weekend, huh? I'll show you later. That one. Let me go ahead and box it for you right here on camera. Okay. It came in, again, I said last month. This is, okay. This is season pass holder. I'll go ahead and box it with here. I'm trying to get open, but here it is. Here's number one. They got. Let me try again. And there's two. Wow. Let's look. Let's put it into the trash. Okay? Let's put it to safekeeping. Let's put. I'll be right back, folks. Again, this is ISM Raceway opening weekend. Is only more than a month away. See? It worked. Here's number one. I had to bring my iPad mini to ISM Raceway, huh? It's the time of year again. Anyway, I'll be joining this video. I'm gonna clean it. That wraps up, and I'm about my Canon 500 opening weekend at ISM Raceway. This is a new start finish line. This will be the new start finish line. Save. Hold on. There you go. See you next time. Bye.